day everyone, especially to our instructor sir. I am Ray B. Trogon from BSc 4B. This is my video presentation about Republic Act 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. What is Republic Act number 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012? Republic Act number 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 is the primary legislation in the Philippines aimed at preventing and penalizing criminal acts committed through the use of computers and the internet. Core punishable acts, the law of defines several categories of offenses. Number 1, offenses against confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This includes illegal access and interception of data and system interference like viruses, and the misuse of devices intended for cybercrimes. So sinasabi dito, ang offenses against confidentiality, integrity, and availability o pag-hack, pag-intercept ng data at paggamit ng mga device para sa cybercrime. Computer-related offenses. This category covers computer-related perjury, fraud, and identity theft. So, sinasabi dito, ang computer-related offenses, perjury, fraud, at identity theft gamit ang computer. Content-related offenses, cybersex, child pornography, cyber libel, at spam. And other offenses, pagtulong o pag-attempts nagawin ang mga krimen na ito. Introduction. Republic Act 10175 is the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. It addresses crimes committed using computers and the internet. The law protects individuals and institutions. Objectives: prevent cybercrimes, protect computer systems and data, penalize cyber offenders, and ensure public safety. Cybercrimes covered: illegal access or hacking, data interference, system interference, cyber squatting, online fraud and identity theft, and the last is cyber libel. Other punishable acts: online child pornography, spam messages, aiding and attempting cybercrimes. Penalties: imprisonment, fines from thousands to millions of pesos, heavier penalties for serious offenses. Implementing agencies: Department of Justice or DOJ, PNP or Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group, and NBI or National Bureau of Investigation Cybercrime Division. Ito yung mga agencies na nag-implement ng Republic Act 10175 or also known as Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Conclusion: Republic Act 10175 promotes cyber safety and encourages responsible technology use, protects society from cyber threats,